Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate a simple dashboard design based on this set of slides. You can also look at the slides and the embedded short videos to see how actually we can use some of the techniques to design an effective dashboard. And what we are going to do will be based on this basic chart Tableau document. So you can download it first before we get started. So after download this basic chart and open it, so you'll see this. There were some charts we developed before in one of the modules a couple of weeks ago. So we did bar chart, scatter plot, line chart, histogram, heat map. So next, if you want to create a new dashboard, you can move your mouse over this grid icon. So you can see the screen tip shows new dashboard. Then you click it. So you're going to open this new blank workspace to create a new dashboard. So look at the left-hand side, you can see the size option allows you to choose different types of sizes. So depending on the dashboard you want to design, it can be in default, it's a desktop. You can also choose laptop, web page, or small blog, or even customized layout size. So here I'm just going to leave it by the default size. So before we use all the charts, let's go to scatter plot. Let's add a filter called segment. So drag segment to filters. And then click the menu you want to show the filter on the right-hand side. So now we are going to go back to our dashboard. So let's so we already have a dashboard. Let's rename it. Let's call it initial superstore analysis. Hit enter. So let's drag some of the sheets here. Let's drag some of the sheets here. So we want to use the bar chart. I'm going to put bar chart here. And then we will put scatter plot below it. And finally, we will use a histogram next to the scatter plot. So you see, when we drag these three different charts onto our white space, we also drag this filter at the same time. But the filter cannot be easily moved. So you have to actually change its option to floating. So expand the menu, then you see this floating option. Floating option will allow you to move this filter to a particular space as you want. So I'm going to move the profit inside the bar chart. And then we will move this segment. Segment, you also need to change into floating. And then move it to scatter plot. Okay, for segment, I'm going to just leave it here. You can also change it to other option. So you can also choose other option as you want. So, but right now, if you change you can see the segment, it only applies to the scatter plot because this segment was originally associated with this scatter plot. So what if we want to apply this segment filter to the entire dashboard? So you have to expand this menu and on the second row, you can see the option apply to worksheet. Right now, selected only for this worksheet. Do you want to apply or using this data source? So now if we change this filter, you're going to see the entire dashboard is going to be changed. Okay, so histogram can also be used as a filter. So how do we use histogram as a filter? So again, you need to show this option. So expand this menu. And on this menu, there's one option called use as filter. So check mark this option. Let me redo it. Use as filter. Okay, now if you click a bar in a histogram, it's going to work like a filter. You can see the other two charts will change automatically accordingly. Okay, so that's a simple demonstration for a dashboard. So how do we create a story? So story is the last icon on the bottom of the page. So this is a story. So you can add a caption like I'm just going to add anything. This is a story. Okay, then you can drag either the existing chart or even a dashboard. So you can put the entire dashboard here as a storyline, and you can add another storyline if you want. So you can remove or add another story page. So new story point can be added. You can duplicate or add a blank, or I can just remove it. So depending on how many pages you want, so this is like a story kind of book. You can add multiple pages. So it can be the beginning, middle, and end. So then you can either use a chart or use the already existing dashboard to create a story. Okay, so this is a quick demonstration of dashboard design. Please let me know if you have any questions.